Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yeah, so this is part 2 of the 2-part series of this video, with our Jamaican PNP criminal organization politicians, along with their surrogates, sabotaging the restoration of the electricity for the Jamaican people, because they want the people to end up feeling frustrated and blame the Jamaican government for, for not able to restore power in a time fitting that can, make them life comfortable. Because, say right now, we live in a stressing world, Anyway, you live in a world, you have stress. Even the rich man have stress, but yet still them cause all of the stress on poor people, because it's just all about greed. And you understand, and what is enough? Some people, enough is never enough for them. And people, when they come on to power, people do anything because they want power. Because to them, power is everything to them. They don't care about people, and then will destroy people's life. Then will kill people, sacrifice people just to gain power. Yeah, so that's how it is. So we just want you watch, you listen, and you decide. This is part 2. Yes, exposing what these people have done to our highland, Jamaica. You watch, you listen, and you decide. You have to understand honestly, if I don't know, I just ask. Yeah, I don't know everything, I don't know everywhere in Jamaica. But I don't know no labor right community in a Kingston metropolitan area where people then build house beside the gully. I don't know if them do it up a Barbican or them places. So somebody can tell me. Just let me know. Because I know some with PNP people there. I mean, only them alone, them anyway, them go and say one piece that let us start build upon it. I saw them capture land and them thing there. Anything. You understand? I saw them capture people, place and them thing there. So you have to be careful what you do and them thing there. You understand? So as we focus on rebuilding, it's crucial to prioritize sustainable development, safer housing, and better infrastructure to protect all Jamaicans from future disaster. So till about that man we look upon now, the man he's a drug dealer. When we say drug dealer, the man is a big time drug dealer. One of the biggest drug dealers in Jamaica. Yeah. Why we don't know how narcotics now grab him and them thing there. Oh them now, you understand? I remember him a friend with all of the DIU man them Jamaican. And him there a certain gas station at night where him play domino and all them thing there. Yeah. You understand? And him, yeah man, Tillaba is coordinating with Peter Bunting to disrupt JPS restoration of electricity island-wide. I don't know if not, but we'll tell you as it is. I just saw it go. People not gonna like if you choke, but hey, we care zero about that. Because when they are winning in a popularity contest, nobody like it. You understand? So Hurricane Beryl tested the resilience of the Jamaican people, but also revealed the strength of the community and the spirit of unity. So as we continue supporting one another through this recovery process, let us commit to creating more equitable and secure future for everyone on this island. We can overcome the challenges and build a stronger, more resilient Jamaica. But look here, what enough people don't understand still, you know, you see, in Jamaica, we have some people, you know, where, hey, look, them not care about nobody, you know, them care about themselves, you know. So if you as a person, if you're not look out for yourself, you know, don't expect somebody else to look out for you. I just say it go. You understand? You have to do that. You have to look out for yourself. You have to tell your children them, say, hey, look, the only way you're going to come out of this kind of life is through education. But most of these people, them lazy. When we say lazy, them not like read. So from reliable information, yeah man, information and sources, it does come to light that politician Mark Baby Trump Golden, Peter Bunting, Miguel Phillips, yeah, Tiliba, that's Kevin Roberts, OC Tiliba, and I figured, and them say, and Jess, that I done St. Elizabeth in a silo, have allegedly play a crucial role in exacerbating the hardship faced by their constituents. These politicians and activists who seek to represent various areas have reportedly been sacrificing and using their people as pawn in a scheme of wickedness characterized by well-planned and coordinated efforts in Clarendon, Manchester and St. Elizabeth. In these regions, young supporters of the PNP criminal organization have been paid by these individuals to steal vital components such as oil, generators, fuses, and copper wires from the Jamaica public service infrastructure. This sabotage is intended to provoke anger and frustration among the people towards the government, making it appear the administration is failing to provide essential services. Meanwhile, communities united as Jamaicans rather than along party lines continue to receive the services they need. These politicians' actions are deceitful and deeply damaging to the people they claim to serve. By orchestrating these thefts, they deliberately undermine the stability and functionality of essential services, leaving their constituents without power and other crucial and critical resources. These critical resources are needed to restore power to the people. This deliberate sabotage is a cynical attempt to exploit the aftermath of a disaster for political mileage, furthering deepening the suffering of those already affected by the hurricane. Who do such thing, man? People them must suffer and all, and you tell the people them for thief generator, and all of uno where thief it. I see people them in our own community on our earth, and then now whilst uno thief it, the same people them uno tell the people them say government when uno thief it because uno do it because for uno party, for make the people them hate the government where I do and all cuss all JPS, all them are work so fast. What kind of wicked people now? No man, them people are some devil in the man. Oh, you go cuss JPS here do them work. When them are restore light. All councillor, I go tell all man, say boy, oh, don't move nothing in a Clarendon, same place. Say boy, government for come move it. How we become this kind of people where everything dependency. When we are industrious people, we're used to believe in ourselves and we don't want a government to do nothing for it. Or we reach a point here where you have them people, you know. So these men are responsible for their supporters stealing the copper wires, fuses, generator and oil to prevent the full restoration of electricity in Jamaica. Yeah man, Baby Trump, Mark Baby Trump Golden, Kevin Tiliba Roberts and Peter Bunting. Yeah man, they little, you know man, they little tealy. You understand? So the people of Jamaica must see through this manipulation and understanding the true motives behind these actions. The politicians involved are not acting in their community's best interest, but instead using them as fools. You hear that? I tell you, you know, they are using them as fools to further their political ambition. This behavior is not only unpatriotic, but it's also criminal and terrorists, and it's highlight the need for accountability and transparency in our political system. This brother when here, Michael Phillips, now man, I forgot to release the murder them with him and the name of the people them him saying go kill them. 2 youth in Augustown. Because people were connected to the killer them, you know. I tell you, PNP them, you know. And that PNP them, him kill the PNP youth them. Michael Phillips do it. You understand? So as Jamaicans, we must unite against such treachery and work together to build our communities. We need leaders who prioritize their people well-being and are committed to honesty, integrity, and genuine service. It is time to reject those who seek to exploit our hardship for their gain and to support leaders who will work tirelessly to improve the lives of all Jamaicans. So them guys, they are not patriot. Them unpatriotic. We know that long time. Because we swear them do. Or them get all black people, pay them $100 US in America for demonstrate against America. In America, you don't pay people for people when people want to demonstrate, then you for free. Yeah, just like how when them kill George Floyd. And this white man, this big belly white man, I come from England. When I born in Jamaica, only connection him have a Jamaica, I rape him did commit again. I mean so the rape him commit against his wife. Because she was on a 16. Prove we wrong. You're a public official. Prove we wrong. You understand? I don't understand that. Because up to now, and these are people close to you tell us. That's why we know saying born in Jamaica, Baby Trump, we know that it's because of the killing of the people, them Sweeney and Rum Punch. That's the reason why we know that you're not a Jamaican. A people in a PNP criminal organization says that them say the violence will come back at the 70s and them don't want it. You understand? Yes, you, Mark Baby Trump, you're a danger to Jamaica, you're a threat to Jamaica and threat to democracy in Jamaica. You for going back to England, we don't care what anybody wants to say. Well, we know a licky Jamaican, them we love likes. You understand? And licky. So them we there, you don't love Jamaica, nothing. Or you have contemplate for renounce. You need to go back to England, we don't want you down there. Because you have a problem. You are fueling violence in Jamaica. I mean, Rick Dick said how much gun come a jungle. You understand? I just hope the FBI them have you on recording with Rick Dick, because you're all terrorists. When I ask, we are tell you that people them dead over Portmore. Yeah man, you're not even send condolences to them. And then you send a team over there go look and please and say chicken back dead. Yeah man, you understand? Him you go look for. You know go look for your people them who feel support to them skill. You understand? And offer your condolences because a vote and you want power. You want black people to split them blood for you and you're a white man. You understand? But we just pray still that, return to sender one of them there. Whatever a man sow, that you go reap. I tell you that. You saw Michael Manley suffer before him dead and Tony Spalding. You think say PJ, you think I'll PJ, you think you say I'll push or suffer. No wickedness what you do, you know, get away. You could have money till a week. Money is only of this world. When God ready for you, our retribution, they say I'll Peter Bunted him, that wicked brother there. Just watch man, cause him, when he must suffer before him dead, man, he must beg God for kill him. And him now go dead. Just like all Tony Spalding. They must have him like literally in a prison. Him suffer before him dead, kind of wicked. Yeah man, them people they are even tired, them old people that were ball on them skull boss. You think say all them that scream there? You think say God, you understand? Them have to pay for them sin. Them wickedness that what them do. Then all they shoot Bob Marley and tell lies say a labor right. And then the Jamaican dummy them run with it. Not knowing say he even tired in a heart of concrete jungle. No labor right can't go there, sir. Go board up the place. Ask Yellow Man. And at them people here, them still continue the lies and wickedness. And then boy, yeah, speak the truth here, labor right. So I tell you, when I tell people, you know, say being a PNP criminal organization supporter, you're a liar. Cause that don't tell me, you know, oh, you're a labor right. You can't tell me, say me a lie. Me a labor right. So I'm gonna labor right speak the truth. You understand? If I so be the case, then and them thing, they might as well we just try to purge the reward people who speak the truth and punish those who tell lies. I just saw it for God. You understand? Oh no, the epitome of evil. Oh, and God, sir, they are sabotage the restoration of electricity. To the same people them where you claim say you want to represent in a parliament, are the people them where you represent and then you want to blame the government. the anger for turn towards the government. So you know Jamaican, why? Although we know say PNP, them never say them are Jamaican yet. All them say them are PNP. Oh, we don't get the people them to think that way. That's all they are idiot them in America. A demand $100 you get for demonstrate against your own country where you're born. You understand? Your own country. And most of them out there and demonstrate, trust me, if you ask where them live like dog in America. Enough of them did better off when them there in Jamaica. Because guess what? Them have low IQ, them done, so them can't get nothing. How you mean? Not even landscape, not even, some of them can't even get work as landscaper. Because they don't even know if you use the machine them. Because that's how dumb they are. I tell you that. Landscaper have work more money than enough of them. You understand? The only time they get a little money at tax time. And most of them drink and junk and that's how them sleep in America. Because them did expect say boy, them are come here and get rich. And then they know say boy, for you live a certain kind of life, you have to have education. But that, they come from PNP community where them this entitlement thing. And feel say, oh, when they come to America, I saw it go and them realize that, and you work that way there. You understand? And mindset of people and you know, destroy the people them and little dummy them, all of them come up with it. The same boy them want to pay in them community for thief the generator, the oil, the fuses, and the copper wire. Have them a sabotage them own self and them family and don't even know. What? For 110 grand? Really? I saw you stay. So you rather your mother and your father and your brother them and you know. And them know so you thief a generator, you know, have it in your house, you know, like a fear. And them no call the police and say, hey, you know, so my son thief him have one of the generator, that's why we not on a light. And it's in the house. And make them come lock him up. Make them come lock him up. No, you don't do that because hey, you don't see yourself as Jamaican, you don't see yourself as PNP. Because them a do this, them a do the Sea Party. As if in time them win in our life are better. Me never see nobody life get. Hey, look here. The worst, Mr. Jamaica and a PJ Patterson. The road them, may I tell you, the road them a Cockburn Pen. May I tell you, the road them a Cockburn Pen like Cane Road. Yeah, Cane Road. May I tell you that? Yeah, man, like you understand. When you're a driver, you have to take time. And may I tell you, all in a Patrick City. May I tell you, so the way all things was wicked on a PNP, on a PJ Patterson. Yeah, man, may I tell you. You know, say normally when you come on to Christmas time, I tell you this, you know, people are paint up them place and clean up. Them things they did stop. No whitewash, nothing. You can't see suffering from the people. Them, I tell you, people that used to paint them out. Because I remember, you know, where I growing up, when it come to Christmas, you know, everybody start painting up, you know. That was a part of the culture, you know. Oh, people, you know, suffer so much, them couldn't even do that. Not even whitewash them wall. I tell you. People used to whitewash the stone, man. Christmas was like, you know, a biggest day that in Jamaica. When PJ Patterson and Prime Minister are peace suffering, me, I tell you, you could have seen it on the people them face. The road them bad. I haven't been to Jamaica in a couple of months and them thing there, you understand? Less than a year. So I just saw it go. So we continue the journey. Yeah, so we want to yell up Wallace King, you know, yeah man, one of big rear Admiral Virgin. Yeah, Wallace King. I tell you, boy, Wallace, yell up yourself, man. How you call me? Yeah. So they calculated effort to disrupt essential services and incite anger against the government are nothing short of despicable treachery and traitorous. They are traitors. Yeah, them We must hold them accountable and ensure that such behavior is not tolerated in our beloved country. We can overcome these challenges and build stronger, more resilient Jamaica for our future generation. After Gilbert, no PNP, no thief, no generator, one with our training school and all of them things. Them time hey, as recruit, I could have brought barracks and go to Spanish Town day and night and nobody don't do nothing. Them time I see our Prime Minister. You understand? At the time we lose light and all them things there. I train in school. We never have no water. So when I go home go bathe and they make you like every 2 or 3 days you go home and bathe. So all the man them come from Westmoreland and Montego, St. James and all and these places. People that carry them got them, you know, them family home where have family in a Carpentier or a Portmore. You understand? You know, so I did, you know, even when I guy and all them thing they were say more for kill him know so them want to kill me and I said that him bring him on my yard them and them thing there, you know, make him come beard. But I just saw it go on them thing there, you learn. So that's why in a life I treat somebody that trust me, myself and I. Cause the art of failure, failure, they not trust you. Yeah, so here's another politician now. So, you know, the PNP youths in his constituency are involved in stealing copper wire, transformer, and fuses and oil. Yeah, man, you know, give me a bit. So, everywhere you go on them things, the people, they are on a campaign to destroy their own constituents, but they want to represent what kind of people them this? You understand? So let me introduce you to one of the leading figures responsible for the logistics in southern Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth. The individual, so the individual is a known drug dealer, gang leader, and instigator of violence in the area. Despite his notorious background, he astonishingly possesses 2 licensed firearms. It is no wonder that Jamaica has earned the unfortunate label of a criminal's paradise. When people of such questionable character can legally arm themselves thanks to their political connections. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's why Kevin Tiliba Roberts have a licensed gun. Whilst the average Joe or the decent citizen can't have it because they not a political connection and they not sell coke. They not ship coke to America or England or Canada. So they make for their money, you know. So Kevin Tiliba Roberts is a well-known criminal who has never been convicted. His lifestyle speaks volumes about his activities and associations. Just last week after Hurricane Beryl ravaged the island, the residents of Gimemebit were surveying the damage to their community. True to the resilient Jamaican spirit, they began working together to clean up and rebuild, embodying the sense of community that has always been a hallmark of our nation in times of natural disaster. They didn't wait for government assistance. They took matters in their own hands as responsible residents and citizens. Yet, amidst this collective efforts, we have individuals like Kevin Tiliba Roberts who embodied the stark contrast between honest, hard-working citizens and those who exploit their power and connection for personal gain. The fact that someone with such a notorious reputation can obtain licensed firearms is a glaring indication of a systemic corruption that undermines our justice system. As Jamaicans, we must resist this infiltration of criminal elements into our society. We need to demand accountability from our leaders and ensure that the laws meant to protect us are not manipulated by those with nefarious intentions. Our country deserves better than to be a haven for criminals who can leverage their connection to evade justice and arm themselves legally. We must continue to celebrate and support the efforts of honest, hard-working citizens of communities like Gimemebit who come together in times of crisis to help one another. The spirit and dedication genuinely define us as a nation, not the action of a few corrupt individuals. The presence of people like Kevin Tiliba Roberts in our communities, armed and dangerous thanks to political connections, highlights a critical issues that we must address. We must unite against corruption and criminality, ensuring our laws and systems protect Jamaica's honest and hardworking people. Let us work together to create a safer, more just society where integrity and community spirit prevail over corruption and violence. A few residents in Gimemebit took the initiative to start clearing the roads by chopping and cutting limbs, branches and other debris that had blocked their way. That had a roadway, the major thoroughfare in a Gimemebit. I tell you what happened now. This is how you understand. So these dynamic independent, hardworking individuals believe in solving their problems without waiting for government intervention. So these people, them country people, and I believe in socialism, and I believe, oh, government, no. That's why them are hardworking people. Most of them people are farmer. Yeah, them people in a handout thing, and you understand? And them man and look to the man for mind them. And them don't want an illegal gun. The man have them cutlass and the bebble. You understand? So, as they were making progress, you know, two men, part of Kevin Tiliba Roberts militia. Yeah, man, them have militia. That means a man we have illegal guns for it, you know, doing biddings whenever I'm calling them. I tell you. Yeah, so feeding people them as they were, you know, as the people them were making progress. Yeah, man, two men told them to stop. Yeah, man, tell the people them say, hey, leave the road, including all the councillor, you know, even the councillor. Yeah, even the councillor. Tell the people them say for them to leave the place and make the government come and clear it. That's why them pay taxes. The man say, oh, people them say we now wait for the government. Government for what? A full place and we are clear, you understand? We are take care of our community after we not what? Why we feel depend on the government to come clear? This is our place and we can do it. And we are do it. Man tell them say, you know what I say? I say if you leave it, cause you understand? Or else we kill you now. Man say a joke here, make and them continue. Alright. So we are telling them, so as they were making progress, two men, part of Kevin Tiliba Roberts militia, approached them with a menacing message. Leave the debris on the road and let the government handle it because they are paying taxes. So despite the intimidation, the residents continued their work determined to restore their community. Their efforts were met with hostility and death threats from the militia members, who warned that they would shoot if the resident did not stop clearing the debris. The resident knew that these men were aligned with Kevin Tiliba Roberts, a notorious figure in the area, best known, yes, for his criminal connect activities and ownership of AK rifles, M16s and 9mm pistol. So here's a man who have access to a militia. He have illegal M16, illegal AK-47 rifle and 9mm pistol, and he have license gun. What a nice way in Jamaica, the criminal's paradise. But while a policeman who gets shot 3 times on the job, and because him live in America, the labor right them, yeah man, they took him and take away a policeman gun. You understand? Yeah, him not a patriot, because him not a drug dealer. Yeah, and him not a rapist like Jack Cure, and him not a gun dealer like Rev. Rev, I get him gun then now from 80. Him not, you understand? Yeah, because he make them kill the witness a March Pen Road. I tell you, I saw it go. I don't know why the government never, but him claim say I'm a bad man, so him never, you know, so you get upset, I just saw it go. So fearful of the repercussions, the resident felt that they had nowhere to turn. Their distrust of the local police force, and them say, boy, the police in McLaren, and them say they don't trust them because them and Tiliba a friend. Them say now particularly DCP Fitzbailey, rumored to be friends with Tiliba, left them feeling isolated and vulnerable. Tiliba, they are boast and a show Fitzbailey number to people. Say, oh, say, me have all them man upon speed dial. All them guys, all me a police, all them guys, they couldn't say them have all my number upon speed dial. I show people. Yeah, say, oh, a theme number this, you know. And me can call him now. How that? How a deputy commissioner? I saw it go, you know. Criminal's paradise, Jamaica, the criminal's paradise. So this connection is something Tiliba boasts about, further eroding the residents' faith in the justice system. So when a criminal, when a man like him, a big known coke dealer, I tell the people them say, me have the number there at the deputy commissioner of police, and my boy. And you understand, and he will call it and make people hear, and him say, yeah, so I go and boss, check up on you and them thing there. And have him on speaker. So yeah, through a long time you call me and thing, and the man say, hey, come check me, man. I'm say, alright boss, we come check you on a Friday. Yeah. And when him done, I say, yeah man, I Fitzbill that me just attack to, you know, my boy, you know. And people hear that even reinforce them fear, and I say, boy, and them man in charge of CTAC and all them places. We can't call I man till about a friend. Oh, we are gonna do that. Our dead, we are gonna dead if we go tell them nothing. So it go. Yeah, but like we know them say we chat too much on them thing, and we them see as if enemy. The man we are, you know, cause we just want back the country. We just want back the country. You understand? So this situation highlights a critical issues in our society. The dangerous intersection of criminal influence and political corruption. When communities are left to fend for themselves in face of intimidation and threats, it's undermined the very fabric of our society. The residents of Gimme embody the true Jamaican spirit of resilience and self-reliance, but they cannot be expected to combat such entrenched corruption and criminality alone. So them need help. So we must stand with these residents in this community and demand accountability from our leaders for criminal elements to wield such powers and influence, threatening the safety and well-being of hard-working citizens. The government and the police force must immediately protect these communities and restore trust and justice. In conclusion, the bravery and determination of the Gimme residents in the face of threats and intimidation are commendable. However, their plight underscores the urgent need for a systemic change. We must eradicate the corruption that allows criminals like Kevin Tilibar Roberts to operate with impunity and ensure that all Jamaicans can live, work in safety and security. Our leaders must take decisive actions to protect the people they serve. So as you see, we tell you already, I said Tilibar, not only say them man they are criminal, you know, them man they are criminal, not only criminal supporter, but him a sponsor of criminality. You understand? And you have seen we put up a photograph that him that, you know, from in a police system, you know, show you say this man, you know, is a violence producer, you know. When we say violence producer, yeah, violence were involving a people losing them life. I just saw it go. You understand? So we here, we're just all about saving lives. We just want to warm up Jamaica from these people. Like people like the Tilibars and the DCP Fitzbill. We know say some police becks, but here now, it shoot only hurt the guilty. If Fitzbill in a mix with dog, him couldn't wake it flee. I just saw it go. If him and Tilibar ain't a friend, Tilibar could not be boasting from a long time. Say him and him a friend. Or Tilibar can't say me and him a friend. Me used to work a client even as young police. And even me a young police, no five man them were involved in the drugs can't say them know me. Period. You understand? Because another guy can't have no secret for me. Everybody have them friend and them thing there, you understand? But them guys there, yeah man, all the man they do are just destroy people's life. Coke or something like destroy people's life. Don't care how much money you make. Me I tell you, you can't escape the judgment that's coming. If you don't reach you, it'll reach your children. So sometimes you see some people have children and them have money, and you see putting them born, disabled and all of them things. I sins our parents, I tell you. Because when you're wicked in a man, nobody feel say nobody say you're gonna just escape, so you know. You have to suffer before you're dead because you're hurt other human beings and I destroy other people's life. And if you say your life is alright, no man, no sunk in a sing, sir. It's sad though that these people, you know, that they will do anything to destroy Jamaica because they want power. They don't love Jamaica. Because if these people love Jamaica, they will come in solidarity with the government to help restore all of they help them with the electricity and tell them, and you wanna pay your support of them for go thief the generators, them, the copper wire, the oil and the fuses. Because I see people them where you represent. What? Because you want power. So when you're in a power now, you don't like the same thing happen. Come on man, you don't love Jamaica. You're not patriots. You're traitors, criminals and terrorists. Hiding behind, say you're a politician, you're nothing common criminals. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out.